Good morning. This is Alif News and I am Muhammad Waqas. Let's have a look at the important headlines. World News. An unidentified object was shot down over the northern Canada on the Saturday, marking the third time in a week that US fighters jets have taken down objects in North American airspace. More than 28,000 people have been killed and tens of thousands injured after the magnitude 7.8 earthquake struck Turkey and Syria. Anti-government hackers briefly interrupted a televised speech by Iran's President Ibrahim Raisi as the Islamic Republic marked the 44th anniversary of the Iranian Revolution on Saturday. Schools across Auckland, New Zealand will close Monday as the Island nation's largest city braces for the arrival of the cyclone Gabrielle, CNN-affiliated Radio New Zealand reported Sunday. At least one person was injured after the Russian missile strike on the Ukraine region of the Kharkiv late Saturday. Saudi news. Al-Nassr have wrapped up the first Saudi Women's Premier League after a dramatic 3-2 win over Al-Yamama on the 14th and last match of the day. Saudi Minister of Human Resources and Social Development Ahmad Al-Raji Sunday inaugurated the second international conference on twice exceptionally the capital titled Gifted Person with Disabilities. The Ministry of Investment Sunday concluded the Saudi Oman Industries exhibition organized in the Riyadh with the high turnout of 25,000 visitors. The Saudi Central Bank announced on Monday the licensing Cigna Worldwide Insurance Company, the first foreign health insurance company branch in Saudi Arabia. School news. The school is going to have this week the last one of the grade 10th. They will have sent off the program on 16 February. Goodbye Kindergarten program. The KG graduation ceremony will be held on 17 February, Friday with all bomb and show. Thank you. Have a nice day.